Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this is episode 5 of season 3. This is what we are doing this very episode. I won't boil too much talk. Let's get right into the video. And at the end of the video, I'll introduce the next episode. So make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode. And if you watched episode 4, then you can skip this part and move on to I think the 5th or the 7th minute, and then we start the actual video. We are just building on episode 4, what we did in episode 4. So let's get right into the video. We've already started though. Yeah, so I've put my 2 threads together, the 2 ends of my thread together, and I've put 2 pearls on it. I'm just putting 2 silver stoppers on it, and then this is the lock I'll be using. We've already done this in episode 4, this very part in episode 4, so you can check it out. If you've already done so too, then like I said earlier, you can just move on to the 7th minute and continue the video for today. Yeah, so I'm just going to put a pair or a part of the locker on it. Then I'm going to pass my thread back through the stoppers and also through the pearls. Then I'll just go ahead and press the stoppers and get rid of the excess thread. So once that was done, that's what we have at the moment. Now remember, I put the 2 ends of the thread together to do the part we just finished. So I'm just going to split open the other end just like so, and I went ahead to put needle on each thread. So I'm putting these 2 needles on each thread. I went ahead to pick 1 wine pearl on each needle, and then I used white pearl to cross thread it just like so. So this is what you have at this moment. So you should have something like this. We are just going to do this till we get the length we want, and then we finish it real quick and we'll start the main video for today. So just the same thing I did earlier, 1 on each thread, and then I went ahead to pick 1 white pearl to cross thread just like so. So just watch closely. It's very easy and very simple to do. This one of the simplest we are doing. We'll go ahead and do more nicer, and I won't say complicated, well, complicated but easy to do styles here. So stick and stay, and please, if you really do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you're notified the moment the next episode, which is episode 6, is uploaded. And you don't want to miss any of the nice amazing designs coming your way. So please subscribe, and yeah, please comment, like leave a comment and like the video for me, I beg you. Like, please, like, hit the like button, give the video a thumbs up. If you really enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. It helps the YouTube algorithm to push my video to other people who might also need it. So please like the video for me, and let's learn. Let's learn. Yeah, so once I got to the length I want, just like I always do, I went ahead to pick 1 on each needle. That's 1 wine pearl on each needle, and I put the 2 needles together, and I'm putting 2 pearls on it. So that's the first one. I'm just going to put the second one real quick. Then I went ahead to get rid of the needles, just like so. Now I'm going to put 2 of the stoppers on it, just like I did earlier. The stoppers help the thread to stay intact when you cut the excess thread off, so that your work won't be ruined, your work won't be cost 90. Yeah, so I'm just putting 2 of the stoppers on it. Then I'm going to put the other half of the locker. Remember, we took half for the other side, so I'm just putting the other half on it. Then I'm going to pass my thread back through the stoppers and also through the white pearls, and then I'll press the stoppers and get rid of the excess thread. I hope I'm not going too fast though. So we are done with the first part. This is what we did in episode 4. To start the actual episode 5, I'm just going to use this thread and needle. I'll put a needle at each end of my thread, and I'm passing my needle through the bead I just pointed, the middle pearl. So you make sure your threads are equal, the 2 threads are equal. And then I'm just going to pick 5 seed beads, 5 gold seed beads, 1 pearl. So that's 5. 1 pearl, then 5 seed beads again on the right thread. So this is what I have, exactly 5. This is how it should look like, 5 1 5 on the right thread. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the left thread. So this is what I have now. When you bring your 2 threads together, make sure the threads are equal, and to do that, you just have to put your needle together and push the beads all the way down. So now the right thread is going to pass through the middle pearl, that's the one I just pointed, towards my left. We are just going to cross thread on that particular pearl. So the right needle goes through the middle pearl, the middle white pearl, towards my left, and the left needle goes through the middle white pearl towards my right. Basically that. Very, very simple. So this is the first step. This is what you should have at this moment. Now what we are going to do is we are going to pass the right thread. Let's take the right thread first. I'm going to pass it through the first 3 seed beads. That's the first 3 seed beads. Just like so. And I'm going to do the same thing to the left thread, or the left needle, or the left side, whichever one you understand better. So I'm doing the same thing on the left side. I'm passing my left needle through the first 3 seed beads. So once that is done, I went ahead to pick 2 seed bead, 1 pearl, and 5 seed beads. And I picked that on the right thread. I'm just going to do the same thing real quick on the left thread as well. So that's 2, 1 pearl, and 5 seed beads. So whatever you do for the left, you do for the right as well. So now I'm going to do the same cross threading I did earlier. So the right needle first goes through the middle seed bead towards my left, and then the left needle goes through the same seed bead towards my right. basically that. Then after that, so this is what you have at the moment. So you see we have a similar thing like we did earlier. So I'm just going to pass my needles back through the first 3 seed beads, and then I repeat the same process again. So just watch closely and I'm sure you understand. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section, and like leave a comment. Oh, nice work. Anything, like say anything at all, even a full stop cries a comment, like anything. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know you are enjoying the video. Let me know how you feel about the video. Anything, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll surely respond to your comment. And really I don't have anything to say again, I know. I hope you do enjoy the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll get back when I have to explain something once again. Now to finish it up, I went ahead to do the same thing I was doing, but this time around the right needle went through the middle seed bead, only the right needle. Then I got rid of the needles and I tied a knot. So only the right thread goes through the middle seed bead, and then I tied a knot just to get the thread at the same place. So I tied a couple of knots and I got rid of the excess thread. So guys, I present to you episode 5. Yeah, so this is episode 5. I believe you really enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Like I said earlier, please like the video. Just like it, like, and leave a comment. Even if, like I said, even if it's full stop, just leave a comment so that at least YouTube will know you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in episode 6. Bye.